I went to CTR and belted dosa. My cousin is one dabba fellow. Simply he'll get belted.
Hi sir, I sneezed once today morning, so I'm taking a day off. Maybe if you spend more time paying me better and keeping me happier, things like this wouldn't happen. So in conclusion, go yourself!
And I will only pay the advance, and I will only take the connection, and I will only follow the team, and I will get the connection done to Haripriya. And I will tell Haripriya to work from home and live happily.
When I delivered that angel, of course my wife delivered that angel, I said goodbye to my angel for a few months and flew back to Bangalore. So I did practice social distancing at its extreme end post my marriage.
I'm a jolly old elf, bringer of gifts, who lives in the North Pole. Saint Nicholas was a bishop who lived in Turkey and had a reputation for helping the poor.
On that particular day, my manager came exactly at 4 o'clock. He got up from his chair and started to check who are all preparing to leave by 4:30. He came to me directly, asked, "Ma, what happened to the task that I have assigned in the morning?"
My uncle looks happy and is the new daddy in town. He has started planning tasks as president from now. Jatin is smiling and thinking what I'm doing, but I promise that you will not know even when I finish. Satish always keeps his heart on his sleeves, so don't mess with him cause he can make you cringe.
Darling, when I'm with you, I forget about myself. That is the power of on-the-spot thinking.
I would request all the members to start grooving to this beat.
HSR Club, HSR Club, HSR Club, HSR Club, HSR Club, HSR Club. Who am I? I am an old school taxi driver.
I see there are three types of cookies. The good cookies, which are sort of white in color. The bad cookies, which are grey in color. And the ugly cookies, which are black in color.
And the award goes to Toastmaster Kavita.
Oh my god. I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. Oh, this is so beautiful.
Johnny Bravo. So Johnny Bravo was, I mean, every man ever wanted to be Johnny Bravo, right? The kind of confidence that he had, you know, that he was always dumb and he made like stupid jokes. I absolutely love Johnny Bravo because...
Wait. There's someone here.
Sir, you've not taken your medication.
What medication? Leave me alone.
Hey, not sure what's going on here. Whoa! Sorry. Oh, hello.
Greetings, Akshay. This is Vaishali. It's time to come clean. Me and Nagappa are in love. Not only can he handle the Mercedes, he can also handle the ladies. Not only is he an expert at navigating through Bangalore traffic, but he is also an expert at navigating through my feelings.
I asked him the question, what do you choose, truth or dare? He said, dare. I dared him to jump down the building. He readily agreed. He went near to the window. He peeped, had a look, and jumped. I was shocked. I went near to the window. I saw Toastmaster Akshay lying on the ground. I screamed, Toastmaster Akshay, are you okay? He said, yeah, I'm fine, it's all good.
The question has come. I was looking at the question paper. Oh, program. The choice was given as program or program. Oh, no theory question only. Then how do you write? Somewhat I filled the page and somewhat I finished my exam. I came out. What? I don't know what I have written. God only knows.
You scored 28 out of 100 in your physics exam. The entire class was shocked. And if you guys are also shocked, thinking that this student had failed in his exam, then yes, you are completely wrong. Because that was the highest marks scored by someone in the entire class.
I was averse to the idea of being dramatic because I came off as robotic whenever I tried.
Surprise, surprise, here I am as a TMOD. Who would have thought that? Who would have expected that? So nothing goes, kids. So this is the incisor. Then this is the lateral. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding.
Exactly 100 years later, a man came from small town city called Ranchi. He debuted for India as a wicketkeeper batsman, and then what he did, entire world knows.
One of my classmates texted me and asked me about the opinion about marriage. I was wondered why he is asking this particular topic to me. After multiple calls and tons of messages like this, he got married with the same girl who rejected him before. I am that girl and he is my husband now.
The Karnataka food, ragi ball, Mysore pak, kadak roti, bisibile kept my tongue rolling and teeth at work.
This is my personal observation after I got married. For ladies who are married, hypnotizing and controlling their own husbands is a great source of happiness. This is my observation only. Can this be true?
She scolded me, but that is not it. She scolded in front of girls because I was not able to tell A to Z alphabets. She told, "Get out of the classroom." Everyone laughed at me.
Pandemic, negative from there. Why you're looking at the negative things? Look at what the opportunity you have in your hand. And trust me, from there, I thought just start exploring. I entered in the investing in share market.
Considering that if I don't have money, but I am desperately want to go to meet my one of the closest friend and to roam around with her, I need money. Without money, I cannot do that. So in this case, for me, money absolutely buy happiness for me.
Before I could utter a single word, Pari insane and says it with confidence. Papa, just go straight, take a left bedroom there. The room next to it is the bathroom. Everybody froze there for a moment. How does she know that?
First crush was not really a bad person, I would say. So this, I would say that she would sort of congratulate me or something like that. And we would be on good terms and we would have a good conversation.
Back in my childhood, I loved to sing songs without worrying about the lyrics or the tone. My siblings were the victims of that singing talent of mine. I never stopped singing even after they never appreciated my talent. Back in my college days, during my exam, I used to sing songs in my mind instead of concentrating on the paper.
The groom comes to the girl's house. I also have a personal incident. I wonder why the grooms want to have a look at the toilets, how we maintain it, or they want to check it. I really don't understand. US and was asking where is the restroom, and my mother didn't have an idea what the restroom, and she showed the bedroom instead.
That personally, as a Toastmaster, I'm very excited today because we have more than 40 people in this room, in this big room. Of course, our Funda spaces cannot afford to have so many people. This who are watching us from your Zoom screens. Please come down and enjoy and have fun in this physical space.
Goal. Happiness is something that we can all still live as we live and work towards the things we want, even in the face of difficulties. As you said, Rakesh, it could be something as simple as enjoying a bowl of Maggie and a cup of tea as we sit in the balcony and watch the rain fall. Or it could even be something like being able to deliver a speech during a HSR Toastmasters meeting.
I hope everybody of you will do the same thing. When I woke up after 10 minutes, I found out that there was a message from my manager saying, once you're online, just ping me. There is something I urgently want to talk to you. This gave me a lot of strength on that day morning. Also, I finished my morning procedure very fast and joined the call with my manager.
Hey guys, hi! I'm glad to meet you all. The campus is so cool. I'm so excited about my first day. I totally love the vibes.
Take a deep breath and go to bed.
And she suggested, let's take help from her good friend, Google Baba. And you will be surprised to know that Google Baba is suggesting saying no with examples, like saying no will improve your life and it is less stressful.
So the first sin I want to share with you is soft copy. Now, what does soft copy mean? Does it mean it's soft enough to be cut or mushy enough to be chewed? Neither. Soft copy, I think someone who coined it for the first time thought it was perfectly right.
For me, when I select a shampoo, getting tears is not the number one problem for me. The number one problem for me is the dandruff and the hair fall.
Now it's the time to make those butterflies in your belly perform some disco. For everyone, especially the guests, let me take this opportunity to tell you what a table topic is all about.
It was a little sunny. The sun was really hot at the time, and due to which basically we knew that we were safe from the vampires, because all of us know that they can't get out in the sun, else they'll be exposed to the world.
They say life is a journey, and within this bigger journey we have smaller ones. And I personally prefer trains for some of these journeys of my own.
Everything. If people are this mischievous, there has to be someone who can control or keep Calvin in check, right? And that's where we have Susie. So Susie is a person who controls Calvin.
And what's your name? Hello, I am Rose. Sam asked her, why are you here in this college at such an innocent age? Rose said, I'm here to find my future husband and have some kids.
Wizards of MOM is. Wizards of MOM is a monthly quiz in which we ask questions about the minutes of the meetings of the last month.
நான் தமிழ் ரொம்ப அழகாக பேசுகிறேன். நான் கற்றுக்கிறதுக்கு 3 வருஷம் ஆச்சு. பட் நான் பேசும்போது நிறைய கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்.
Do you think a movie can be a mentor? For me, movie along with entertainment gave inspiration and life learning skills at a time.
I used to hide my school dress so that I could make excuse to not going to school, and school was the biggest nightmare for me.
I am very afraid of water, and I didn't want in that hurt. So I scolded her, I instructed her, I directed her, but in vain. Later, through lot of reassurance, patience, and trust, she could overcome that fear, and today she is in absolute love with water.
So the best way to have that enduring impact would be to be a CEO rather than being an employee. An employee is basically someone who doesn't have much of the influence over his work.
I had 3 different drafts ready for this icebreaker speech before I finalized on this one. You want to know why? As was my habit, I started with my over preparation. I had a couple of stories, but they weren't good enough for me.
And meanwhile, since you are an AstraZeneca, I would request you to take an order of 92 vaccines. We have 46 members here and it's a double dose. So do provide us 92 vaccines.
So in conclusion, go yourself!